Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed, zari borders and done on a pure boiled acid washed tassa. So discharge printing here. Beautiful green saree with green pallu, and we have block printed design. Discharge printing, so mild prints it is. Done using half white color and same color blouse piece, plain blouse piece with both sides zari border. The saree is complete green, and you can see the beautiful discharge printing. This is not a light discharge printing, so the prints will be really mild. On both sides we have the pattern which is very elegant, and we also have peacock pattern printed. Beautiful saree with authentic silk mark. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed. Zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled tassa fabric. A very beautiful rustic color, rust and maroon mixed color shade saree with top and bottom mango design prints on the cream base using black, and the same block print design as well as the zari lines in the pallu with running color blouse piece. Same color, the body color blouse piece is given with both sides zari borders. Elegant saree, simple and beautiful one with authentic silk mark. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed, done on a acid washed boiled tassa. A beautiful body here, checked pattern all over, mild pastel yellow color shade with antique finish zari in both sides. The pallu of the saree is also in same color with beautiful block prints and zari lines, and we have a blouse piece which is in full yellow, beautiful shade of yellow. The body part is completely a checked pattern done using cream, which is very mild. A pastel yellow color saree with authentic silk. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled tassa fabric. A blue saree here, beautiful blue, royal blue color, and top and bottom we have very elegant border design printed using blue, yellow and red, and we have a multicolored pallu, all three colors, the shades of blue as well as maroon in the pallu with zari lines, and we have a running color blouse piece, blue blouse piece with one side the yellow color borders. Simple and beautiful saree with authentic silk mark. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed, zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled tassa fabric. A very beautiful blue saree here with top a very elegant cream base with pink prints. The very beautiful mango pattern it is. Excellent design. With same color pallu and blouse piece, running color. The pallu have zari lines as well as the same prints, and the blouse piece here is in same blue. Elegant saree, very beautiful one with authentic silk mark. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled tassa fabric. A very beautiful maroon color saree, beautiful shade with the both sides we have royal blue borders, and we also have a cream base in the bottom with floral prints. A very contrast deep royal blue color pallu, zari lines, and we have the running color body color blouse piece. The blouse piece also have both sides beautiful royal blue color borders. An elegant saree with authentic silk mark. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled tassa fabric. A very beautiful pallu here, cream, black and brown color base in the pallu with zari lines and block prints, and we have black blouse piece with one side the dark brown color borders. The saree is completely in black with top and bottom we have the border design running, and it is done using red, blue as well as half white. Excellent color. The zari border is also in the brown base. Excellent saree with authentic silk mark. Pure Tassa silk saree, a premium quality, done on boiled acid wash soft tassa fabric. A very beautiful color, turquoise green color saree with prints in royal blue on the cream base. Excellent saree design with the zari lines in the pallu, same color. Pallu as well as blouse piece is in running color here. Beautiful turquoise blue with the block prints in the royal blue shade on the cream color. A very elegant and simple saree with authentic silk mark. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed, zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled tassa fabric. A beautiful saree here with a dual color pallu, so light blue and dark blue in the pallu, deep royal blue and light sky blue colors given in the pallu, and we have contrast sky blue color blouse piece. The saree here is having again a beautiful tricolor concept. The middle portion is light parrot green, and the top and bottom we have cream base with big temple borders done using top in the light blue and the bottom in the royal blue. Excellent concept saree, very beautiful one with authentic silk work. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed, zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a very elegant pallu, blue and black in the pallu and dark blue used for the prints. It's a temple border, and we have same color, blue color, running color blouse piece with both sides zari borders. On one side we have black borders. The saree here is having a beautiful concept. Top portion is completely plain in blue and the lower half is completely half white with printing completely over black. Beautiful half and half type with authentic silk work. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed, zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. A very beautiful pink saree here with all over printed design. It's almost a plus pattern which makes a beautiful checks design all over. And we have same pink color pallu and blouse piece. Pallu have beautiful zari lines and block prints. An elegant running color, dark blouse piece. Beautiful saree, excellent design, and comes with authentic silk work. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed, zari borders done on a premium acid washed foiled Tassa fabric. Here we have the combination of burgundy, the choco brown color in the pallu with block prints and zari lines, and we have the same burgundy color blouse piece. Contrast one for the body, plain blouse piece, and the body color here is beautiful cream color base with the beautiful prints. The prints are very differently done here. You can see the Kodi pattern, the twig design with florals all over the saree, top and bottom. On the pallu portion, it is started in a beautiful semicircle design. Excellent one with authentic silk work. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a blue saree with top and bottom fully in cream base with prints all over. Very elegant maroon and black prints, and we have the same multicolor pallu. The blouse piece here is also in blue, running color. Excellent saree, simple and beautiful one with authentic silk work.